Right now, I'd like to introduce Dave Thompson. He is from the Academy of Cleaning, and he has a special presentation for one of Liberty's finest, one of the country's finest. So, here you go, Dave. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon. Well, it's not every day, and it's probably not every year, maybe not even every decade, that a custodian gets to be recognized in this world. Would you agree? Yes. Well, today, here in Florida, at Liberty High School, we're going to change that. Are you up for that too? You know, as long as I've been a custodian, which you can tell probably has been more than a few days, most generally, we're just not recognized. We're not looked at. We're not appreciated. I'm getting some nods and probably an amen here. I know. Well, I'd like to call up somebody here in just a moment. Well, you know what? I bet you can see his picture right up there. No, I just realized that. And I think I see him right over here. So you know what? Rather than just stand up here by myself, guess who gets to come visit? Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Andrew Peters. Now, as you can recognize, it's taken a little bit of time for him to get up here to the stage, remember? Now, tell everybody why you think you're a little bit guilty.
My family is here.
And where is that family from? Yeah, but I heard somebody came in from a little bit farther away than here in Florida.
She didn't make it? Oh, okay. I'm not sure who was.
Well, somebody was going to come from out of state. From Mr. Andrew Peters. That's right, come yet. No, you weren't coming yet. No. You see, the thing is he's shy. I heard you don't like to talk about it.
No, I don't.
So, just stand there and nod your head. That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, we've had the pleasure of actually doing this for our 5th year. And I have to also say, as I was driving up here today, we actually launched this program here in Florida at the Osceola Public Schools. It's great to be back here and do this again. We have a national award that we give away every year, but this year we decided to even add a little bit to the program. So, for the state of Florida, Mr. Andrew Peters has been awarded this award. But I gotta tell you, and I have to look at my notes here a little bit, there are 9 personality traits that Mr. Kelvy nominated him for. You know, the thing is, everybody thinks, it's a custodial award because he cleans toilets real well. No. Do you clean toilets real well?
I clean toilets real well.
Yeah. Do you do windows?
I do windows too.
Well, you see, that's not what this award is about. Although those are good things, and I understand people like you. There's actually 9 personality traits that we put together in this program. And they are communication. Yes. I already got an amen on that one, didn't I? Utilize his resources. Yes. There we go again. Okay. And you can apply for each one of these. Oh, this was a good one. Service to others. Well, I think I'm going to get one on this one too. Takes ownership. Yeah, I heard he gets things done. Yeah, right. Optimistic. Now, what are you trying to You're not optimistic. Yes. Determinedly. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think I heard that one. He is a person of integrity. Do you think you analyze anything?
Yes.
Analyze is one of them. And the final one is nurture. So, on behalf of Gym Supply and the Academy of Cleaning Excellence, we're presenting to you the rock stars of cleaning, Mr. Andrew Peters. As a result of his nomination and the many votes cast during the Rockstar nationwide voting, the Academy of Cleaning Excellence recognizes Mr. Andrew Peters as the Florida Rockstar of Cleaning for 2023. Congratulations.
Yes, good job, man. John, thank you very much. And the guys I work with, I appreciate everybody from the bottom of my heart. We all work hard together summertime throughout the school year. And teachers, thanks for calling me and giving me something to do. I really appreciate it. And I know Dr. Harrison's not here, right? But since she came here and stuff, I know teachers I've been here before. This school has been great to me with my family and stuff like that. So I really appreciate it, and I'm grateful for this award. Thank you very much.
Now, one of the things that I want to do a little bit later is I want to follow up with you because, folks, as we've done this, we actually did a national award last month. And what's interesting about this is the community voted. It wasn't just your school, it was the whole community because it was a nationwide vote. And we do this every year. So I want to let you know as we're doing this and we're broadcasting this, is that the voting for 2024 is now open. Somebody else can win from here or from anywhere in Florida for the state this coming year. Because what's interesting is as we do this, year over year, one of the gentlemen was actually at a gas station and somebody goes, "Hey, you're that guy that won." Congratulations. Thanks for coming out, folks, and make sure that you recognize him as the Walk the Halls, the 2023 Rockstar Cleaner.